Do you want to tag people on Facebook Reels? You can mention someone on Facebook Reels video with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to tag people on Facebook Reels. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To tag someone on Facebook Reels, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you are on Facebook, tap on the three horizontal lines menu or your profile picture. Now, a new screen will appear. At the top, tap on your profile picture or your name. Once you are on your Facebook profile, scroll down and select the Videos or Reels tab. Here, you will see all the Reels and videos that you have uploaded to your account. To create a new Reel, tap on Create Reel at the beginning of the video section. Now, a new screen will appear with the photos and videos from your device gallery. You can either select a video or record one by tapping on the camera icon. Once you select your video, you will see an editing screen. From here, you can add music, text, stickers, and more. Once you're satisfied, tap the Next button. On the next screen, you will see various settings, and you can also add a description to your video. Under the description section, you will find the Tag People option. Just tap on it. A new screen will appear with your friends' names. Select the friends you want to tag in this Reel video. You can tag multiple people at once, and you can also tag pages. Once you have made your selections, tap on the Tag People button at the bottom of the screen. After tagging, tap the Share Now button at the bottom of the screen to post it. Your friends will receive a notification letting them know you have tagged them in a Reel video.